Welcome to the Data Science Specialist using Python course provided by Edifyself. Through this course, you will learn about various data modeling concepts like regression, classification, and clustering models, and will also have in-depth understanding of bagging and random forests. Before we provide you details about Python, let's start with, what is data science all about? Well, the aim of data science is just one: to turn data into information, to convert raw numbers into actionable insight. The process starts with a question that could come from anywhere and becomes the basis for a formal statistical hypothesis or data modeling goal. Data is sourced, sampled, and prepared for exploration. Depending on the objective, predictive models are selected, built, optimized, and deployed. Finally, the results and learnings are presented to stakeholders in a clear and concise manner. Why one should learn data science? As explained by one of the foremost thought leaders on the subject, analyzing data will become an indispensable skill over the next 10 to 20 years for small and large corporations everywhere, as the big data explosion has left with humongous data that needs to be analyzed. So who is a data scientist? Popular definitions of data scientists highlight various skill dimensions that a data scientist should be expected to have. These include knowledge of statistics, computer science, communication skills, and domain knowledge. What does a data scientist do? DJ Patel, data scientist to the White House, explains that the aim of data science is to build data products, dashboards, or APIs that can help managers take better decisions. The three types of data science include descriptive, statistical summaries to investigate, understand events that happened in the past; predictive, building models that predict the future quantities or labels; and prescriptive, running simulations on model outputs and building if-then scenarios to provide actionable business recommendations. Hilary Mason, one of the most popular U.S. data scientists, presents a cheeky acronym, OSEMN, to cover tasks that a data scientist performs on from day to day. These include obtain data, scrub data, explore data, build models, interpret results, hence the acronym AWESOME. Data scientists, depending on where they work, will be dealing with at least 5 to 6 of these tasks: hypothesis testing, data visualization, machine learning, parallel computing, deep learning, coding, database querying, optimization. Who all are using data science? Data science has already become ubiquitous. Small and big companies, from technology firms to consumer electronics, from retailers to airplane manufacturers, are all using machine learning to understand their customers better. Apart from the industrial uses of data science, there are applications in almost all of the hard sciences too, from chemistry to music, and from astronomy to neurology. There's clear incentive in taking up data science as a career, with millions of positions expected to open up, and not enough people around to fill those positions. It's a simple open and shut case of demand and supply. Skilled data scientists will become a rare asset for organizations to hire and keep. For anyone listening to the news or reading articles on technology, the kind of attention that data scientists' salaries have been drawing are unmissable. The sexiest job of the 21st century is also among the highest paying ones. There's some variation across countries, but the U.S. remains the highest paying nation. Within the U.S., there's some variation too, with California and New York commanding higher packages. Most important languages for data science include SQL, Excel, Python, R, and Spark. So why should one go for Python? Let's walk you through features of Python. It's awesome and popular among the data science languages. Python is free, an open source language. Python has an extraordinarily simple syntax. Reading a good Python program feels almost like reading English, although very strict English. It's great for interactive work. It's easy to learn and has an active community for discussions. The Python standard library is huge indeed. It can help you do various things involving regular expressions, documentation generation, unit testing, threading, databases, web browsers, graphical user interface, and many other things easily. It's also backed up with FastC and Fortran numerical libraries. Here are some more advantages of learning Python. Python is an interpreted language like Ruby or Perl, so developers are able to use read-evaluate print loops, REPLs, to execute Python in real time. Python includes many functional programming tools akin to Scala or JavaScript to assist with closure-based script development. It is a fully scalable object-oriented language, a paradigm used to build large modular software rather than to simply execute scripts, more akin to Java or C++. Use it for writing quick one-off scripts, large-scale web frameworks like Django, data processing with Celery, even numerical and scientific computing. Python is lightweight. It's standard on many operating systems and is effective, thereby making it the top choice for data scientists and analysts for data engineering and analytical tasks. There are primarily two ways to pick up skills in data science: take university courses, apply to internships, and gain hand-on experience, and so on. That is the hard way. Experienced data scientists recommend that curated short-term courses, boot camps, are the most time-effective way to get there. So either go for the hard way or take the Edifyself course. You will get the benefits of learning with experts through live web sessions or by enrolling into a flipped learning, a distinctive training feature of Edifyself. Students will get access to recorded video lecture before their classroom session. This will help them to review the content beforehand, while in-class time is devoted to exercises, lab sessions, and discussions with our expert trainer. You will learn state-of-the-art tools and techniques in big data science from experienced industry professionals. Work on real-life projects and hackathons. One-on-one mentorship. We can also provide optional coaching on resume writing and preparing for interviews. Learning Python for data science takes you through specialized tools for each step of the data science process. We will teach you how to import, process, prepare data for machine learning. We will teach you how to build machine learning models on your data and how to select the best performing one. With our data science specialist, using Python, you will be learning in-depth concepts of regression modeling, like multivariate linear regression, regularized regression models, in-depth concepts of classification models like k-nearest neighbors, support vector machines, decision trees, in-depth concepts of clustering models like k-means and mini-batch k-means, dbScan, spectral clustering, in-depth concepts of ensemble methods like bagging and random forests, boosting. So, what are you waiting for? Have questions? Get in touch and we'll be glad to help you with the training or certification. Thank you for participating with us. All the best.